back to my channel. This is me Hitaisha and I create lot of beauty content here on my YouTube channel and fashion content on my Instagram channel, so you can check me out on both the places. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that is the only reason and how I can grow here on YouTube, and I will make lots and lots of content for you guys. So right now let's get and dig into all these products which I'm going to try out, and I am going to tell you my most favorites in the end of this video. So continue watching this video to the end to know what all I love, what was a hit, what was a miss from my end. So guys, starting off, these are some products from ELF and I have swatched off the colors of the palettes for you, and here you can see the colors are super pigmented and so gorgeous. And I didn't swatch most of the browns because they are similar in more palettes. And now for my base, I'm using the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. Here you can see how radiant it makes my skin look, and this is the travel size which I have here, which I got complimentary on one of my orders. But I do have full size products, so I just love the finish of this one because it just makes your foundation glide on so easily. Now for the primer, I'm using the Professional primer, and I usually like to take a small quantity on the back of my hand, and I like to go in with a brush because I feel this way it fills in my pores really well, and also it gives that airbrush sort of a look. And guys, don't forget to take your primer under your eye because it will help your concealer not creasing in that section. And now before going on with the concealer, I need to color correct because I have increased my dark circles by not sleeping properly. So I'm using the Cape Beauty Peach corrector, and you can see this absolutely cancelled out all the darkness which I had under my eyes. Now I'm just taking a concealer brush and dabbing it slowly. I am not moving it or being very harsh on my skin, since I've made the video here fast, so it feels like I am rubbing or something, but I'm not moving. I'm just pressing and pushing in one place where I have placed the corrector so that it does not move, and then mix in with my concealer or change the color of my concealer or anything of that sort. For my foundation, I am using my favorite Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. This is in the shade 05, I guess Nude Delight. I will mention it down like what shade it is in the description. And here, just to spread it all over my face, I'm using my Pro Arte Mini Foundation application brush. I just don't like to dip in my blender directly and go on because it wastes a lot of product. And now this is the ELF blender, like the camo concealer sponge which I have here with me. You can see that was the size without making it wet, and now it goes bigger once you wet it. And to my holy grail, once I started blending out my foundation with this one, oh my god, firstly the blender is so squishy and soft, and it blends in the product like a dream. Like the minimalistic amount of product I took, and it blended in so well on my skin. I love the sponge, though it is a concealer sponge, it works really good with foundation also. And further we will try with for the concealer also. So before that, we are going to contour our face. And one trick here to exactly identify where to contour is just look straight in the mirror and see where you can see your high points of the cheeks, like where you can see your cheeks popping up. So that is a place where you need to place your contour. And here you can see I'm using my again Pro Arte. This is a small blush brush, but I love how dense and thick it is, and it is so easy to blend any cream contour with this brush. So I use a Pro Arte blush brush for this, and I'm just blending it slowly with the brush on my face. Moving on to the eyes, I could not resist all of these palettes and the rich brown color which all of these palettes include. So I just wanted to do a crisp, sharp brown smoky eyes. And here I have using the lightest shade as my transition and all over my lid to just give a base. And now I'm directly dipping in my eyeshadow brush, the flat brush, and picking up the brown shade, and you can see there is literally no fallout. And now once apply, you just see that one swipe pigmentation is insane. And for the amount you get this palette, like just for 400 rupees, the palette is so good, so affordable, travel size, and you can do so many looks. You can contour, you can highlight, you can do everything in one palette, and I think this is the perfect palette when it comes to traveling. Also, just to check how the shadow would work if I layer it on, I just tried layering it on 2-3 times, and it just blended in seamlessly without any patchy or chalky texture. So a big thumbs up, and it's a highly loved palette from my end. I am going to use this so often to create any looks. And I'm using the same brown shade on my lower lash line to just finish and define the entire smokiness on the top and the below of my eyes. Now using this lightest champagne shade to just highlight my brow bone, and I loved what definition it gave once I applied this on my brow bone. And by far, you guys must be knowing I am a huge lover for lash and mascara. So, Flower Beauty is one of my favorite mascaras of all time. And once I've applied, this is because my camera just blurred it because of the mirror. I was seeing in, but now you can see how my lashes looks fuller, lengthy, curly, dense with volume and everything. And I love. And this is the finished eye look, guys. It looks so stunning, and it was so easy to achieve this look using the e.l.f. palette. Now it's time for just to add some of the concealer. I'm using one of my favorite again. It is from L'Oreal Infallible. I have not found a concealer as good as this one. I just love this concealer. The coverage, the texture, the blendability, everything is so good for this concealer. And I'm using again the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge, and this was a drastic change because it blended in my concealer so seamlessly and so effortlessly, and at the same time gave me so much coverage which I have not seen with any other blenders giving me so far. So 100 out of 10 for this blender. If you guys are looking out for a good blender, you definitely need to have this one in your vanity. And you have some offers, I think some offers going on Nykaa, so I will link here below the link for the sponge. You can definitely check it out if any offers are going on. I'm not sure because I filmed this video earlier. That time there was a 20% off. Right now I'll have to see, I'll mention in the description box below for you guys. And now another one of my favorite products, this is the K Beauty Matte Compact, and it is so good. Again, I have a one full dedicated review video for you guys which I will link it here, and you can just go and head on there and see all the details what I mentioned for this product. My blush again I'm using from K Beauty, the matte blushes which we launched before the matte compact. So this is in the shade Soft Nude, and here I'm applying it on my cheeks. again the Star palette and one of my favorite palettes. I'm using again the Champagne shade from the eyeshadow palette from ELF and using it as my highlighter, and you can see it is not chunky, it is not powdery, it is not accentuating any of the texture I have, as well as giving me that blind glow. And I love this palette. As I told you, you can do so many things with this palette, and you need only one palette. In case you're heading out for a short work or something, you can use just this one palette and achieve so many things. I absolutely love this palette and highly recommend you guys to invest on, because it is not very expensive also. Lastly, to finish off the look, I'm using the lip gloss from Flower Beauty. This is the lip mask and I love the packaging of this. Also, this is so buttery, so soft, yet so thick. So it is gonna moisturize and keep your lips hydrated for a long time. Absolutely love this one also. So guys, I came up with this look today with all the products I showed you, and I had from ELF these three eyeshadow palettes which I got on an offer, which was like, you know, buy two get one. So these were of all the same price, like 400 each. So it was a steal for me, because for the price of two I just got three. And then I cannot rave about enough about this blender. It just gave that super airbrushed finish to my makeup and my base and my concealer as well. So basically they've named this as a camo sponge, but I think this will work really great with their concealer to ELF, but I don't have that concealer with me, so I just used it with my L'Oreal, and this one worked really great with that too. So I really love this blender, and when I checked while putting a link down here in the description, this blender is already out of stock. So I was happy that, you know, I grabbed it in time, otherwise I would have legit missed out on this. Especially I love the shape of this. It goes in every nook and corner and every area of your face. So really like this sponge. I tried out one of the most cute glosses of ever, I feel. This one is from Flower Beauty, and definitely I'm going to go and get more shades in this, because I see most of the times it is out of stock. So I definitely need to stock upon this, and the reason why I loved it is because of this mini cap what you get on top of this. Like, because of my nails it will be really difficult to show, but it is very tiny and it is just the perfect fit for this, and this will not let your gloss, you know, go here and there. I feel the packaging is so good and well thought for this one. Absolutely love. And to my surprise, I thought this would be a little, you know, watery or something, but it is so thick. So I really love how moisturizing and plumping it is. I loved the Vitamin Glow primer from Smashbox. This is the tester which I got free with another, like a sample free with one of my purchases, but I do have a full size of this one also, and I thought I'll just finish off this cute little tube first and then move on to the bigger bottle. So love this primer, and also I love it to use in case I, you know, didn't apply a lot of moisturizer or something. So this is going to be a two-in-one job, priming as well as moisturizing. So I love this one again. Somewhat new category, I had the compact from K Beauty, the newly launched compact. I have given a full review video for that. I will link it here. Also, I love the blushes. It is super gorgeous. I love all the blushes. All the shades are just fantastic. So I have a review video for this also. I will link it. That's it for me from now, testing out all of these products, and I came up with this look right here for you guys. So let me know, how did you like this look? Let me know in the comments below. You want me to test out any other products, or you want me to, you know, create some specific look? Just comment here in the comment box below, and I would be very happy to create that for you guys. So that's it from me. It is me, Hitesha, signing off for now. I will see you super soon in my next video. Until then, bye.